Hello everybody and welcome back to another tutorial with me, Joseph, and today we're going to be trying to fix Hades fatal error message. So right now what we're going to try to do is I'm going to teach you. You need to open Steam library and click properties, launch options, then DX12. We can do that. I have Steam here but I don't have Hades 2. We can test it in Brawlhalla. I go to general. Right here we can find, there we go, launch options. You can just like add this, try DX11. So like you go DX11. You can add DX11. There we go. You just put that. It's gonna launch the game at DirectX 11. If you don't want DX11, you can type DX12. You can try 11 or 12, depends on your fancy, but I recommend DX11 for more stability. So after that, if that still doesn't work, we can go here, we can verify the game files. Again, we go here, find your Hades 2 file, go to properties, then after that you're going to go here. There we go, verify integrity of game files. You click that, that's gonna checked. It's going to check if you have any corrupted files, if you have any files that are broken that needs to be fixing, and that will make sure that your game launches smoothly and not with an error, and then after it checked, it should be fine. So number 3 is restart your PC. Any problems with your computer like cache will cause you to encounter many errors or like crash, black screen. So restart your computer. You press Windows. There we go. You press this one. You press the power and you press update and restart, or like just restart. But do not shut down then open the PC again. That's not gonna restart your computer. It's just gonna put a save state on it, but it's not actually gonna refresh your computer. So it's really important that you press restart. Okay, and if that still doesn't work, you can go to we can perform a clean installation of our graphics driver. So it depends on what do you have. If you have like no GPU and you're using AMD, you're going to Adrenaline, AMD. Then you're gonna find your driver here, you're gonna install it. And if you have an Intel, well, you're just gonna search Intel drivers. You're gonna check if you have a driver on your graphics card, you're integrated. But if you have a graphics card, let's say NVIDIA, you can go to NVIDIA drivers. There we go. You can just click here and find your drivers for your GPU. If that still doesn't work, we can go to fix number 5. You can go here, we can go to graphics settings, and you're gonna search for your game. Let's say Brawlhalla, right? You go into option and you're gonna put high performance on it, so it will use your GPU more and it will improve your performance and also fix the problem that you have currently. And that's it for our tutorial. Thank you all for watching. If I help, that's good to hear. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Goodbye.